Today I'm going to talk about the new toy. It's the Milwaukee Fuel 1/4 inch impact driver. I'm going to clean up this mess. I've been sorting through all those screwdriver kits I was buying, impact screwdriver kits. I got to sort through this. So I'm going to clean this up and then we'll get into our video. Okay, this is the 1/4 inch impact driver kit. It's fuel and it's brushless. Let's just take a peek here what we got. It was less expensive to buy this kit than to buy 2 batteries. So I paid $100 for this, just over $100 with tax for this kit. And the 2 batteries were selling for more than that. So I got the whole kit, extra charger, just a normal charger. I got the little kit. Now the interesting thing, these are 2 amp batteries. So they're better than what I have in my old ones. But see here, I can select drill. And my So this is the M12 Hex impact driver. It's the brushless, it's the fuel, and it's brushless. And it comes with 2 M12 batteries. I've had this is my old one. It's the old style brushed. This is 7+ years old. It's fantastic. Use it every day, but time for a new toy. So it's got the indicator, how much life is left. And you can use the selector here to choose your different speeds. So I'm looking forward. This is, I don't have a little M12, one of these. This is kind of going to be fun on the job site. We'll do some more testing and stuff with it later. But for now, it was a great deal online. I've been buying the bits and pieces, my Hex kit here. This is my new modified one. So when I say modified, I've added the pieces I want in this. So I got lots of bits, no shortage of bits, but check your deals. There's you just got to catch this. I've seen this, as high as $199, and I bought it for $99 on special, and it was online deal. And you sort of had to jump around online and look at. I went to different stores. Just all online, picked out the different stores until I found this for $99 delivered. I love their tools. It fits in with my system. Now I've got the M18 for my larger drills and my cordless grinders, which I put cutting wheel on it. I'm into the M12, mostly for their lights and this screwdriver here. But I think this one's going to start replacing it in my major kit. Let's see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe. And hit the like button so I can do more videos. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.